Hi everyone, myself Sachin Gawali. Basically, I'm a mechanical engineer, but being from the agriculture background, I have some interest in agricultural industry and as well as dairy industries. If you could see the future for the dairy industry, it looks to be very bright because the expected population in 2050 would be around 9.7 billion for the world, and in that India's contribution would be around 1.65 to 1.7 billion in 2025. So as I said that it looks to be very bright future for dairy industries. We need to work on the per average cow production, milk production for the cows actually. And for that, if you could see in India, basically people do not know exactly what CDCB is, what is the genomic testing. There are few people who know already genomic testing, and they have already started implementing the genomic tested bulls. But although India is #1 milk production in the world, but if you could see the average milk production per cow, it is very less compared to European and American countries. So to improve that milk production, basically we should go for a genomic tested and CDCB registered bulls. Many of the people in India do not know what exactly the CDCB is, what exactly the genomic testing is. So we need to focus on that. The CDCB registered bulls have the data wherein we can predict the future generation would be good for the milk production, would be having a mastitis resistant, what would be their leg score, whether they would be disease resistance pro, or whether they would be having the sire calving ease or not. So in that case, so there won't be any dystocia for the cow to which the bulls have been inseminated. And I really appreciate the efforts what ABS has taken. In fact, I came in contact with ABS in 2016. At that time, I had discussion with one of the colleague actually, but he said that in India people are not that much aware for this genomic testing as well as CDCB. But over a period of time, in currently, if you could see in 2025, the knowledge base in India and specifically in Maharashtra, what the efforts what they have taken, I really appreciate the efforts of the marketing team. To the downline, the tail end, they have educated the people, and people have realized that unless and until we use genomic tested bulls, that too when CDCB registered bulls, there won't be any improvement, and the improvement have already been started seeing in farms actually. The average milk production for a cow with a genomic tested bull with the second and third generation, I would say it is around 8,000 to 9,000 when compared to your average milk production as per CDCB is around 12,000 kg per lactation for 305 days. So based on that, I would suggest everybody to go for CDCB registered genomic tested bulls, so that you will get a better improvement directly not in the milk production, but there are so many traits wherein you get improvement over a period of generation. My example is that I have seen the improvement of 30 to 35% in the milk production, apart from other traits like your udder attachment, your leg score, then your health traits, I would say. So this is the thing what I could say, and I thank everybody and ABS team, the efforts what they have taken. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.